in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default foreground color on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top and then go down and select Preferences. And now on the left side, expand underneath Default Image versus Default Grid. Go ahead and select that. And then on the right side versus Foreground Color, go ahead and select whatever's inside this box. And then you can insert or choose your custom color. And then once you're done, you're going to select OK to confirm, and then OK again, and that's it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.